Good day, everyone. Most especially to you, Ma'am Keliano.
Jay?
Today, I'll be presenting what is netiquette and what are the different netiquette or etiquette. First, let me define the meaning of netiquette. What is netiquette? Netiquette refers to a collection of rules that governs what conduct is socially acceptable in a web or digital scenario. It is a social code of network communication. Netiquette is a set of rules for behaving promptly online. It represents the importance of correct manners and behavior online. In general, netiquette is the set of skills and social etiquette practiced and advocated in transmission over the electronic network. Common pointers embody being courteous and precise and avoiding cyberbullying. Okay. Yung netiquette ay parang nag-ano mo kasi na nag-guide yung tamang manners through online sa mag-post ka man na karon nag-guide mo sa tamang pagginawi through online. Kasi iba do imo nga iba ikaw mag-act in yaman na isa sa social media. Diba, doon iba manipos iya. Tapos sa social media, sa iba.
Iba sel.
Iba sel. Okay. Next is netiquette is additionally indicates that users are to adapt copyright laws and avoid over-victimization emoticons. It could be a short type of network rule or net rule. The word netiquette could be a combination of net
From internet.
and etiquette. It suggests respecting alternative users' views and displaying common courtesy of one posting reviews to online and discussion. Okay. Okay. Next is the do's and don'ts. First is the do's. Respect other people's privacy. Di ba kamumanay? Kung ito man abintrahan inyong private or inyong life, man ito nung tawo. Di ba na akin nyo mo? Kaya, respect others'
Privacy.
Okay, next is verify facts before responding.
Alamin
Bago
muna.
mag-react sa online, siguraduhin mo anay na bago mag-respond. Okay, next, check message and respond promptly. Okay. Ano the promptly ay maagap yata karon. May check message and respond promptly. Parang
Maayos.
ayos na mag-message,
Mag-reply, ganun.
reply sa someone. Next is the don't name call or express offensive opinion. Or, aron, ano ka man ano ka dilit nga man mag-ambay ka dilit nga lang online. Mana si Snow, hay, makara. Example. Snow man ay makara, mga to. Nagambay ka dilit mga offensive
Opinions.
Okay. Next, post private or embarrassing image or comments. Ala, feeling daw
Sa FB.
sa birthday. Bago mag-birthday, mga stalling pics, mawa ka nag-aong sa birthday or
Sa tawo.
Sa tawo. Di ba nakaka-embarrassing yung mat-aron?
Yeah.
Di ba nakaka-comment? Next is exclude people or talk behind their back. Aron, sining, pamari mo na. May kaakit naman si Gian Lee Snow. What? What? Hindi ganun nga tarot. The talk behind their back.
Parang backstabber.
Backstabber.
Ang backstabber.
Okay. Okay. Now, let us move on to the basic netiquette or internet netiquette. First is remember the real people take priority. If someone is in the room with you, stop what you are doing and look at them. And don't answer your cell phone unless it is to tell the person on the other and that you will call them right back. If you are expecting an important call or email, let the person with you know on front and apologize for taking the call. This is also true of public places such as restaurants, public transit, stores, elevators, and libraries. Avoid taking phone calls and having conversation in these shared spaces. Ano? Mana, kung man may nagsulod sa ikwarto, ag may naobra ka, pwede naman ungkatin kasi parang,
Don't answer.
di ka kung gusto mo man na may, important pa na nagtawag may istorya ka man na, pwede ka man mag-gaong permission sa imong istorya nga, I have to take,
I had to take this
Ayan,
phone.
kasi important, iba doon tawag mo. If you wouldn't say it to someone's face, don't say it online.
Trot.
Example, name calling, cursing, expressing deliberately offensive opinions. If you wouldn't do it to the face of anyone who might possibly see what you write. Don't write it. Discuss for any social media site, forum, chat, room, email, message, if you think it can't be traced back to you. Amo na ba i-post mo kita sa online man ang gusto nga bawal ka na nga, pwede mo man yung amo ba?
Face to face.
Kung may aking kagitimana yung mata, amo na makabalik-bati ka kita sa online, makita, di ba? Ano, makabalitin ka?
Pwede mo sa personal. Inaway din, impractical.
Tapos karon matinawag na mo through online dahil ka to. Okay, next. Number 3. If you wouldn't show it in public, don't share it online.
Pagid.
Example, naked sex pictures,
Junk pictures.
drug use pictures, United home video.
Deleted.
If you would have a problem with your boss, your parents, your parents, your
Okay.
kids seeing it now or any point in the picture and
Don't post it.
Ano naman nag-post kahit mama ka. Kung gusto mo lang ganyan na hindi makita, or kung gusto mo naman na hindi masayang mo na first example sa imong if your kids seeing it now or in the future, makita yung imong mga in the future imong mga post natin. Sa mga negative sex pictures,
Mga nakainom.
pictures, kaya yun ang mga if you wouldn't show it in public,
Don't share.
it in online. Okay, number 4. Don't
Sakit na ako niya.
If you have an in joke to share with one other person or a small number of people in a larger online group, send them a private message. Don't make everyone else feel left out by posting an obscure comment to your Facebook status, forum, or Instagram story. Kumari man na may in-joke sa inyong circle of friends na absent man ako. Kumari. What naman na, siyempre, parang malalap behind ako kasi may day number, abi man na kamuha. Kumari man na kumari may joke kamuha, kamuha na nakakasayod, gawa na ako. Tapos nakabot ko, siyempre, nagdata ka man ako.
Balay mo, ikaw naman.
Behind ako. Okay, next, number 5. Don't friend them, then unfriend people. No one believes you have 1,000 friends, but it is still insulting to be loved from someone's friends list. Think about it before asking them or accepting their invitation. If you don't want to be in touch with them, don't add them in the first place. If you want to stay in touch for professional reasons, tell them that you only use Facebook for close personal friendships and join with or another professional network site for more distant. Kunwari ba na may, hindi mo isipon mo malaman ako. Ibig sabihin parang example ka na Lord, magkakilala ka mo iya, Kunwari man na, kung gusto mo mo, friend yung account ay sa person, at hindi mo account gusto mo, pag-friend mo sa online, pwede mo karon. Kasi ganyan. Don't friend, at, ganyan eh, bago mo i-add, ay sino man ito gusto mo gimit mga magiging makaka-friend. Kasi, ano rin, makikita niyo na yung mga post, syempre makikita niyo yung mga post, third post, through mga gina-act through in online. Okay, next, don't overload system resources with numerous files. You might think that secrets of nature pictures with inspirational statement is wonderfully moving. It might give you a sense of certainty, but that is the last thing it will give the person reading it. It crashes their server, depletes their inbox, but so their emails get bounced for a week before they realize, and this is the last bit of space they need. So it's an important assignment. So post to your own space and send people to it. Don't attach it to online. Don't overload it. Para ano yun? Overload. Parang over 6. Harap, pabalik-balik na tayo. Respect people's privacy. Don't forward information sent to you without checking with the original sender first. Use DCC or behind carbon copy, rather the CC or carbon copy. If you are sending something out to more than one person, you might think that you are all friends online. But your friends may not want their names and or email address publicized to people they do not ever know. Kumari, hindi na gusto nga parang hindi na gusto nga i-post ito nga picture nimo, nana, galing. Ay, post mo taga ako gusto nyo ay nga permission. Number 8, don't repost without checking the facts. The cure for cancers might sound pretty impressive, but it will just cause upset if it is and urban myths and to the voice on the internet and base people's lives. If you aren't sure of the facts, email to someone who does know or can find out, or do search or Google or Snopes. That's what. Ano, tama, nag-post ka tingnan niya, durong sa, sa answer yung online. Ay, baka man tanaw ko, tama naman itong imbuan information or makakatulaan ito nga source mo. Basta mo man aging po si syempre, gusto mo ibang ipag-web, ibang answer mo na, kung ano nag-answer sa lang. Syempre, iba, ano man lagi, syempre din ano mga naging post mo, syempre i-share post mo na sa nagkala, dahil at kung mo ka malagay na to, dahil nag-awat mo sa, nag-awat sa wasted people's time, na nagbasa or nag-tanaw sa imong mga video. Check. Number 9, check, respond to email promptly. By all means, ignore and delete spam and disable message and crazy stuff. But if you have given someone your email address, or if you are in a position where people will respond reasonably but expected to contact you by your email address is in public. The first click or reply to their message within a few days. If it's going to take longer to reply, email them and tell them that. And respond to email from them. Maaga. Parang mag-check. Mag-ano ka ba no? Oo. Mag-respond. Ano na-respond niya rin? Yung mag-reply ka man. Maano man, maagap man. Promptly, di ba? Maaga. Kumari man, ako, tapos, mananagawa si teacher man nakakanyawa, manait, klase, king aga. Ay, ano man ako, wakot, kumari pa ayaw, abi man ako, ya, kumari man lang. Ay, ginawa man ako ni teacher nga, wala man ako na klase na aga, ay, may makarahay. Wakot ko mo na, tawag ka ra,
Naghambong.
Wamo, binbasa yagi, or wamo makaagapan na ito nga message, agwag mo man ha, hambay yagi, sa iyong mga classmate niya, wag rin ko klase. Okay? Ayun. Next, update online information that people depend upon. Don't leave inaccurate information online just because you can be bothered to update your website. If you're going to be unavailable, for example, don't leave your hours of operation online indicating you'll be available. If you can't keep your website up, today, take it down. Update information that people depend upon. Ano yung, oh, parang, bila yun, hindi ka ma-expect na.
Don't leave inaccurate. Hindi
Example pa rin na may information.
Hindi mag-anak na pinalako.
Ginamit ko sa Facebook, iba-iba.